Good morning, this is Hirendra Reddy from Axis Securities presenting the daily fundamental view. Firstly, an update on the global markets. The US markets ended lower, led by consumer discretionary stocks and on disappointing earnings from companies like Disney and Macy's. The Dow Jones lost 217 points or 1.21% to close at 17,771, while Nasdaq lost 49 points or 1.02% to close at 4761. Currently, the Asian markets are trading lower, tracking weak cues from Wall Street overnight, and as investors turn their focus on quarterly earnings reports. Indian indices are expected to open lower, and focus will be on quarterly earnings and domestic data. Nikkei is trading lower by 0.50%, while Hang Seng is trading lower by 0.56%. Currently, Singapore Nifty is trading lower by 0.15%. Coming to the events to watch for, Rajya Sabha passes the bankruptcy bill. India April CPI to be released at 5:30 p.m. today with an estimate of 5.05% and a previous of 4.83%. Government to release March industrial output, which is estimated to be 2.5% with a previous of 2%. Coming to the results that will be declared during the day are Arvind, Bank of Maharashtra, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Firstsource Solutions, Merck, Glenmark Pharma. Now coming to company specific news, Kane India, the Kane Energy PLC of UK has offered to pay 15% of the rupees 10,247 crore principal amount in return for government lifting freeze on the 9.8% shares it holds in its former subsidiary Kane India. Wipro has announced a strategic partnership with software vendor Etia to enable communication service providers deliver digital services. And Jubilant Life Sciences wholly owned subsidiary and Australia-based Cyclopharm have mutually called off their previously announced term sheet for exclusive commercial rights of a drug in the US markets. Now coming to the quarterly results, Grasim has announced its quarterly numbers. The consolidated EBITDA of at rupees 20 billion was better than our estimates of rupees 18 billion, largely due to a better margin in chemicals business. In chemicals business, the consolidated segment's EBIT was at rupees 1.7 billion versus rupees 1.2 billion in Q4 FY15. The VSF business segment's EBIT was rupees 2.5 billion versus 0.5 billion in Q4 FY15. Sharp improvement in profitability was led by higher volumes, which was up 10% year-on-year, and realization was up by 12% year-on-year. Grasim has made sizable investment in building integrated chemical complex of caustic soda and epoxy. Along with merged Aditya Birla Chemicals, EBITDA of the chemicals business was rupees 7.5 billion in FY16. That accounts for 45% of Grasim's total standalone EBITDA. We maintain our consolidated EPS estimate for FY17-18 at rupees 378 and rupees 478 respectively. We maintain a buy on Grasim with a target price of rupees 5,001, which gives an upside of around 22% from the current market price of 4,100. Thank you.